Hey champs! Do you wonder how you can repeat your evergreen posts? Let's learn how to repeat posts with Social Champ. Log in to your Social Champs account. You start on the content scheduling dashboard. You can repeat a post on Facebook or Twitter or on both social networks. Create a post and then click on the toggle button for repeat posts. Choose an account or multiple accounts from the drop-down. Let's assume you need to repeat your post on the Facebook page. Choose the type of repetition from auto-delete or auto-hide your previous post. Alternatively, for Twitter, choose the type of repetition from retweet or delete the previous tweet. Once done, choose the number of repetitions and the time gap for your post and ting! Your post is ready to be repeated. Schedule your post or push it into a queue with AutoQueue Next and AutoQueue Last. Repetition is fun to do with Social Champ. Happy repeating, champs!